Hello, everyone. My name is Alfonso Millan, and my Stackathon is called Songpick. And originally, this project was intended to pull in data from the Spotify API to give you like concert recommendations based on your musical preferences. So I have a rough version working right now, which only pulls in your top artists. So these are my top artists, as you can see. You can click on one, and it'll just display the concerts that are coming up for those artists. And I also have the ability to search by any artist or by venue. So I can look up like Apollo Theater, and it'll just display the data. Some of the biggest challenges for this project were actually using the Spotify API. The OAuth was actually more difficult than I thought it would be. But I just want to give a huge shout out to Alex for like helping me out with that. It definitely took a couple days. And then another challenge was just make sure to apply for your API keys early. Originally, I was intending to use the Eventful API to pull in concert data, but they actually have like a 7-day waiting period. So I had to go with Eventful. And like the way that Eventful outputs its data, it's actually XML. So it's like really hard to parse and like to convert to JSON. But this actually ended up being kind of like a benefit for the project, because I ended up incorporating this new technology called GraphQL. And basically what that does is it kind of is a replacement for REST. Instead of hitting multiple endpoints like /users/1/songs or like /artists, you actually just hit one endpoint that I set up on my backend. And this is like a GUI for that service. So you can like dynamically type just your queries. It auto populates, and it also self-documents because you have types based on what you want to return. So I can do like venue names. Or coordinates. But it was, yeah, it was really helpful for this particularly, just because I couldn't use the other API, and it's an amazing technology. I'm definitely going to be using it more in future projects. But yeah, that's my Stackathon.